Okay, what's up guys? Back with another vlog. As you can see, we're starting out with a car. You'll want to know why? This is my brand new 2000 Dodge Intrepid. Very good tires. Has a, little occasional scratches. And an Intrepid. Dodge Intrepid. Arkansas State Police, boy. And, as you can tell, clean inside and out. Let's open it. Very comfortable seats. Split dominance. As you can see, really comfortable seats. Yeah, car charger. That's actually red in real life. It looks pink in the camera, I think. And watch this. For 2000, watch, just push. Voila. Then from this, and then, hold on, let me get out and get in the back. Ow, crap. Very nice inside. And then, I don't think I've shown this vehicle yet. This is this is the vehicle that we've been using after my mom's wreck. It's a 2001 Mitsubishi Montour Sport. That's what it's on, I guess. It's a Montour Sport 3.5 liter. Don't have the keys to this one now. It's not. It's my parents' SUV. Yeah, it's not too shabby. Whenever this car passes, I'll do a. I can't do it from this way because the sun's right there. Hold on. Yes, I did that back in job. Like it. Yeah, but what I'm needing more right now is more subscribers. So if you guys could tell your friends about me, that I do everyday vlogs. And then, crap like that. Usually don't cuss if I do. I apologize. These are the two vehicles. And whenever you hear whining in the background, it's my little brother having a tantrum. A tantrum. Fuck, screw it. I don't care. Then we get, oh god. Dodge Temple's missing. Interesting. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this vlog so I can go kill my brother. See ya.